Hello and welcome. My name is Maureen, and today I'm just going to take you through a blank Excel sheet. Whatever you're seeing on your screen is a blank Excel sheet, and I would really love to take you through the most basic things that are here. If you're new with Excel, this is a good opportunity for you to uh, learn a bit or one or two things. And yeah, so let's just get into it. So when you open a blank Excel sheet, the first thing you'll see is this, which is what represents all the logo of Excel. Autosave, which means automatically you can save your work by just clicking here to turn it on. I don't want to do that right now. Here is a save option. This is undo, this is redo, and then this is the name of the Excel, and then you can search anything on this workbook or worksheet here. If you come down here to the second row, you'll be able to see this. We have file, where now you can open a new one, a new Excel. You can open an existing one, you can share, and then you can save. You can save as, you can print, you can export, or you can close. So we'll just click the arrow that goes back, and you can see we have insert. So by clicking this, you'll be able to see so much going on in the data that you might actually need at any given point when you're working on your document. So depending on what you need, all the data that is required is here. We wouldn't go through all of it because Excel is a bit wide and it will take so much time to actually just try and explain all this. So down here we have also other tabs, and they have arrows next to them down here on the right corner. And by clicking them, you can also just like find more options, and you can see that on alignment, numbers, style here, here, insert, and all that. Down here, this tells you where you are within the worksheet, and this is now also a view of maybe whatever you're working on. So if I was to come inside here and maybe type, it's already telling me what I'm typing. You can see it from here, and I can also see it here. If I enter, it takes me to another cell which is blank, so this is going to show you a blank. This is blank. So talking of cells, when I'm moving through the document, you can see that we are moving through boxes, and these boxes are the ones that are called cells. And also another way to define a cell is where the columns and the rows meet. That is a cell. So if I was to say cell B7, like the way it's been highlighted here, then I would mean that I'm in column B, row number 7. So this A, B, C, D written over here, these are columns, and we can actually highlight them to see by just clicking on the letter, and you can move across the table all the way to infinity. Same as rows, you can just move down to infinity. So each time we move, you can be able to see that this box, the name box, is also changing. So like before, it tells me where I am in the cell, in the worksheet. This is a back button. This is a button that takes you front, and this is the name of the sheet that we're working with. If I add another one here, now this becomes a workbook. So we can always add as many sheets as we need, and rename them to the names that we like or whatever we want to use. it for. So renaming, you just click there, you right click to rename, say this is a month. So yeah, so by just clicking here means that I have saved it, and in case my power goes off or anything happens, whatever I was working with has been saved. So that is what I wanted to share today, and maybe just an introduction part of it, and we will do more as time goes by. Bye.